Organizing a standard business letter. Hi, I'm Bill Carmody, and rather than telling you, why don't I show you how you organize a standard business letter? So you're going to notice a couple of things in a standard business letter. First of all, almost everything is left justified. At the very top of the letter, you have the date, and then next underneath that, you have the address and the name. Now, sometimes that's in reverse. It's sometimes, you'll sometimes see the name and the address up front and then the date underneath it. But in either way, once you have the forward piece of the information, which is the address, name, and date, then you have the greeting. Typically, it's Dear Mrs. Jones or Dear Mr. Smith, right? An opening paragraph is basically getting to the point. In a business letter, you assume that someone they're very busy, they don't have a lot of time. So get right to the point. Here's what I'm asking, here's what I'm looking for, here's why I'm writing you. Then if you have more than two paragraphs, then you're going to have the body content. Otherwise, you're going right to the closing paragraph. In conclusion, here's what I'm asking, here's the next step, here's what I would like, whatever that looks like. And then a complimentary close and signature. Sincerely, your name. Now, if there's an enclosure, that would go underneath the signature, an ELC, which means to see what's enclosed, ENCL, period. And what the enclosure is if you have this as a cover letter and then you have an attachment, and you have other things that you want to share, that would basically be the enclosure. But this is a standard business format. And the reason why we standardize this information is so that when someone sees it, they're like, it feels familiar. It's a professional letter. It's addressed to me. So I'm the right person. I know exactly what you're asking. I know exactly what the next step is, and I know how to reach you. So that sincerely line at the bottom can sometimes come with a title, can sometimes come with your email or phone number, or that might be in the closing paragraph. But in any event, if you're asking me to take an action, make it easy on me to know what's next. These standard business letters help other people understand that you are a professional. You know what you're doing, and that what you're asking for is legitimate. It creates that sense of awareness that you are asking for something that is very much formalized. And that formalization makes it more likely for someone to say yes to you.